Fish, nice to have you with us. Duco, are you there? He's not there.
Hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Just barely.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Duco.
Yes,
How are you? Yes.
Great.
Can you hear me? There he is.
Wait.
The top of his
How
head.
do I turn my mic?
We see your
Yes.
we
How
see
do
your
I
new
turn my mic
ball
around?
cap. Okay.
Yes. It's nothing
Well,
under there. It's only.
do you have a face?
How do I? Yes.
We can't see. There
There
we
it
go.
is.
Hello.
A face.
How are
Look at that. Duco, nice to meet you.
How can I turn around my camera?
you? There's a cam mic button on the bottom of the screen. And if you hit that, it'll give you an option of front to back for the camera. And you can flip it by using that button.
There are two buttons down there. The second one.
Use the cam mic button. It has a little gear symbol on the top of it. Use that, and then it will give you an option for the camera for front or back. And you can
Yes. I'm trying now.
flip it. Okay.
Yeah, I think if I take it off here, Chevy, it doesn't take it off anyone else's.
Yes.
Oh, look at this. Oh, how pretty.
Nice.
Can you see it?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, very nice.
Oh, very pretty.
This is my.
Look at that.
This is my 8-gallon.
I
There's
love
some
it.
shrimp in there.
Complete with moss ball.
Hey, I like moss balls.
Yes, load.
Yeah, no, you do.
Yeah, it's not growing very good. I'm not in it all the time. And something interesting here is, as you can see, I have some ramshorn snails.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
So
That's some good
here's almost no algae on this side, and on this side there's very much algae. So.
Yeah.
And I have another tank. Is it better like this?
That's great like that. Perfect, Duco. Thank you. That's a very pretty tank.
Yeah, it's not dirted, but maybe I'll do it soon.
But, hey,
It's because
very
it's a bit high up, so otherwise you can't see many of it.
Mm-hmm. What do you keep in there?
One
Species
gourami.
Okay. Yep.
This is a gourami.
Yep.
And 2 bristlenose plecos, a pair.
Yeah, I see them.
And
Cool
Corridoras,
cat.
Sturbay.
Yep.
Sturbay
Nice.
and some blue dream shrimp. That's about it. Oh, and mystery snails.
Okay. Very
Yeah,
nice.
And I even got
nice collection of
some
plants.
eggs. Can you see the eggs?
Yep.
Snail eggs.
You've got
That's
some,
from a mystery snail.
Mr. Snail eggs. Yeah, I
Yes.
saw Mr. Snail down on the right. There's one down in there.
Should I name the plants or if you want?
Sure.
Nice
Like
variety.
So Ludwigia, Bacopa, Emerson Swartz, Limnophilia, got loads of that. Waiting. I got crypts, many crypts, and Java ferns, and what's the other name from the other epiphyte plant? I forgot it.
Anubias or
Yeah, Anubias. Sorry, Anubias.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Very
that's
nice
about
selection.
it.
Your species selection is wonderful, and your plants are looking very wonderful. So you're doing a nice job.
Yes.
And doing hardscape. I mean, it's a nice
Yes.
tank. Really good looking tank.
Hmm?
I said it's a really good looking tank.
Yeah,
I like it.
it's just all locally collected. Everything.
Really? Very
Nothing
cool.
is bought from the store. Yeah, the gravel of course, but might keep it soon. So. But it is very interesting because this tank is way more stable than the other tank, the dirty tank. It's more stable and the shrimp are doing way better in it.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you can
So
always.
if I set up the next tank, I will also do it. Yeah,
You can always
but
something in.
yeah, I will soon. But I'm waiting on another tank, which I'm gonna use the plants of that tank for. So then I will cap it.
Very nice.
So
Very.
trying.
Well, you're doing some
I will
excellent work
get
there.
off now and yes.
Very pretty.
Nice to meet you, Duco.
Yes.
Thanks for
Yes.
sharing.
I will get off now and watch the stream. Bye.
Okay. Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much.
Thank you, Duca. Thanks for plugging in and watching and being a part of this channel and this series of videos. Found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice having you with us. Come on back.